Hey guys, this video is going to show you a quicker way to scan documents as a PDF. So you want to find your OneDrive. I know a lot of you have already downloaded the OneDrive app, so there's actually a built-in scanner in the OneDrive. So open up your OneDrive app, and if you go down to the bottom and you see that camera, that is actually a scanner. And there's another app for it. It's called Microsoft Lens. But if you have the OneDrive app, it's built in. So if you click on the camera, it brings up your camera. So look on the right-hand side, there's a toggle between document and then whiteboard and then business card and a photo. So you want to make sure that it's on document. So I'm going to go ahead and scan some of my kids' artwork here. You can see also too that there's a blue rectangle that appears around the document, and then you just press the white circle when you're ready to scan your document, and then when you're done you can use some tools at the top right. So at the top right you see the trash can. That just means that, say you messed up and you don't like that picture, then you can trash it and scan again. There's also that square with a line that will allow you to crop your picture if you wanted to. So say like I didn't want the table. If the table was in there, I could do that. And then you can click done when you're done cropping. Or say sometimes that you scanned it, but your paper turned the wrong way. So you can use the arrow in the top right-hand corner to change the orientation of your scan. And then you can use the T to write something. So you can actually add some typing to your picture. So I can move that around wherever I want. And then there's also that little pencil. So if you click on the pencil, that will allow you to draw on your document. So you can have those tools available to you. You'll probably only use the crop and rotate. And if you want to be fancy, you can add some text and drawing. So say I have more than one page to scan. In the bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to click the plus sign where it says Add New. So if you have more than one page, you want to click Add New. And then I can scan another page. So here's another picture, one of my kids colored. Pay attention to the blue rectangle. Try to get it around as best you can, and then click the white button to take the picture, and then it scans it for you. So you can see that I was taking the picture on a table, but the blue rectangle helps capture the document, and then I'm going to click Done. So notice up here at the top where it says scan from 2020 and there's all those numbers, if you click that, you can change the name of the document. So I'm just going to say this is the OneDrive scan test. I don't know if I would spell OneDrive right? So OneDrive scan test is what I'm going to label it. So you can save it to your files. Notice that I have my summer school file. So I already saved something to my summer school file, so that's why it appears at the top where it says Save To. If your folder does not appear there, you want to go down where it says Other Location and click on Files. And it will open any file you have in your OneDrive. So I know many of you, I've helped you create your OneDrive summer school file. So all you have to do is find your folder that says summer school, and then you open it, and then I have tons of folders here and other documents, but you can tell it's in the right folder because at the top it says summer school. And then right down on the bottom, all you have to do is click Save Here. So once I click Save Here, I know it's going to go in my summer school file because you can see on the summer school folder there's a blue check mark. So I know it's going to the right folder. And then in the top right-hand corner, you're going to find the other blue check mark next to the word Save As. And then if you click that blue check mark, it will save it into your summer school folder in your OneDrive. So let me go back. I'm going to close out of everything just so I can show you that it worked. So I'm going to reopen my OneDrive. I'm going to find my summer school file. You find my summer school. And then remember I named it OneDrive Scan Test. So I'm going to find it here. And there it is, OneDrive Scan Test. I know it's as a PDF because of the little icon there. And if you click on the 3 dots like I did on the right hand side and you look at the name of the document, it says PDF at the end. So now you have your document in the correct folder. So this is a way too for you to not have to use the Notes app because you can just scan things directly in the OneDrive app. And it's cool because look, this page is landscape and then this page was portrait. So you can take pictures in different orientations. So hopefully this video helped you and will make things a little bit easier as you are scanning your documents to turn them in for homework.